Hey guys, how's it going and welcome back. So as you guys know, recently I upgraded to Monterey on my late 2015 iMac, Intel based processor machine, and my Logic Pro X 10.4.1 up and died and will not run, and many people are having a problem and there is no cure in order to keep running 10.4.1 with Monterey. And some people have even had trouble with Logic Pro as well. So, but anyways, I still have Logic Pro X running under Catalina, and it's fine. But and it was fine under Big Sur. But under Monterey, Logic Pro X 10.4.1 will not run. But Logic Pro 10.6.1 does work perfectly fine under Monterey, at least with an Intel Mac. So if you do have an Intel Mac, you've gone to Monterey, you're going to have to get yourself a copy of 10.6.1 of Logic Pro, and it'll work perfectly fine for you. As far as M1 chips go, I have no M1 systems here to test that on. I wish I did because I'm really itching for one, but I'm waiting for the 2 years time period once the Intel machines are cut off, and then I'm going to bite into a M series Mac, because with what they've done in 1 year between the first version M chips and the new ones, in another 2 years, that's going to be exponentially higher and really super high end in comparison. So yeah, I'm going to wait out the 2 years, and because I'm not in a rush anyway, so you know. But anyhow, that's what I got for you. Let me know what you think in the comments below. You know, share the video amongst your groups of Mac fanatics, and you know, let them know that there is a solution. It just means that you're going to have to definitely forget about fighting with Logic Pro X 10.4.1 and go to Logic Pro 10.6.1, and that'll straighten you out on an Intel based Mac under Monterey. See ya.